exercise to prep you for arms up pose, and it's essentially arms up pose with a strap around your forearms. So start with a strap that has a loop in it that's about as wide as your shoulders, and then press your forearms into the strap, 2 inches above the wrist creases. Thumbs are up, palms face one another. Press into the strap, draw the shoulder blades back, and draw the ball back into the socket. Hug the front ribs in so you're not overarching. Reach your arms up slowly. Keep pressing out into the strap. Keep drawing the shoulder blades back. Keep pulling the arm bones into the socket. Keep the ribs from popping up. Draw them in. Once you stay here, breathe. As you lower, press out into the strap, draw the shoulder blades back, pull the arm bones in the sockets, and draw the ribs in. One more time, inhale, press out, draw back with the shoulders, pull the ribs in. Exhale, lower, press out, draw back with the shoulders, pull the ribs in. And you can perform that 3 times, 5 times, 10 times, building up endurance so that you can do arms up pose without the strap and keep the shoulders stable and protected.